Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to calculate the longitude and latitude values from the Power Automate. So here I'm in account and you can see you have a address field, address 1, address 2, and if you want to calculate the longitude and latitude values based on the address, so I have created a workflow for this. So the workflow, what's the workflow doing? So the workflow is already created. I will show you how it's work. If I change this, I'm going to remove this one because of it's already populated. So I have just refreshed this value. This one is showing an incorrect value because of uh, there is a running a one workflow means a plugin. I have just removed. Sorry. So you can see I have this one is address field. I've just removed the longitude and latitude values. Okay. And here in the flow is triggered on whenever arrow means account is modified and added, and the modify whenever the address one country change. And this one is a big maps connector. Big maps connector is already available for everyone, so it's not a premium. And but you just need to add a license key, or here you can easily get a license key for the big maps. So you just need to pass the address one, city, zip code, and country. And here I have just for compose, it's just for compose, it means getting a value or not. I have just removed. And once the address location, so they return multiple values. So I have just captured this one is the update of the code. I have just I have just get a longitude and latitude coordinates and update the account based on the these coordinates. You can see this one is the latitude and you can see this one is the longitude. So I've just saved this record and this one is the empty, and whenever I change this one, suppose I add a one comma here, and I have just if I update this one, so the scheduling tab and latitude and longitude values is auto populated from the Power Automates. So you can see its calculation is working fine. So you can easily achieve this functionality via with the help of get location by address for big maps. Thank you.